quitting from Duxton Road, Tanjong Pagar area. I'm going to walk to the Chinatown from here. Alright, actually it's one stop metro station MRT, but decide to walk because I long time not explore this area, the architecture, the shops, the pubs. So instead of walk, oh, there's a nice mural of a young lady, and then there's a bird, you know, there's a flower, a lotus flower. I think it's some kind of liberty freedom movement. The whole journey, right, the walking distance, I think it's about 1 kilometer, and then the time will be like 15 minutes around there. There's a restaurant here called Don Don. It has a nice name, Japanese restaurant. It's actually like BBQ. That shop opposite, very like corny. The ice bathtub. What do you mean by the ice bathtub? They sell some ice cream, is it? Oh, interesting. Oh, there's some nice freshly cut, the yellow one. It looks like a Ferrari. You know, Ferrari costs about $1 million Singapore dollars. I thought I'd check it out, man. I'm very curious. Oh yeah. Definitely it's Ferrari, man. Just now I was around this area, I saw the Ferrari, but it's at the white color one, another color. There's some Korean restaurant here. And look at the building, it's so amazing, right? But see, certain parts of the area is quite dark. Like over here, you know, it's dark. So maybe if you're a single lady, then you find it very dark. There's only a restaurant here. Wow. When you're walking around this street, you feel like you own the road, right? But actually, I'm walking in the center of the road. Hey, there's a lot of pubs here. Whiskey bar. Last time there were lots of like Filipinos working here inside the pubs, but I don't think they have it now, man. 7-Eleven. Oh, this one looks like very dark. I think it's some kind of hotel. Duxton Reserve. Full cars once again. You have an MMA shop here, you know, teaching you the fighting stuff. Oh, that's a nice BMW. You can see some flashy cars. We're getting dark once again. Wow. Oh, there's a sushi bar here. It's called the Mitsu Vice Closer. Oh, there's a bookstore, Little with Books. It's a good name, right? What's next? Jeffo. Jeffo Pub. CRPM. Fresh pizza and cocktails. Happy Boys. Kamba. Now, can I really see the Maxwell MRT just in front, opposite? You know, you can come for feng shui and fortune telling at this shop here. They call it the Long Yuan Tang. What's this, man? You know, this area around here looks like a church now, man. Like cathedral. They call it the One New Route. Of course, there's no route here. It's open. It's locked. And I believe we have reached Chinatown in just a few meters. There's a Fairview Methodist Church and some foreigners. And that's the Maxwell Hawker Center. And the left side will be the Buddha Tooth Ready Temple, right Chinatown, man. Now if you take an MRT or metro, right, you can come by the Maxwell Thompson East Coast number 18 exit 1. You can also reach Chinatown, but then you'll be closest more to the Chinatown Buddha Tooth Ready Temple and the Maxwell Food Center. You know, I actually stayed in one of the hostel a few days ago because it was Chinese New Year. It's a bit of horrific experience because that bed was so small and tiny. I can hardly turn around, you know, about 1.8 meters, and it's so cramped, man. Next time I'll just book a private room. It's more worth it. Why torture ourselves? Buddha Tooth Ready Temple. You know, the Alohans. Nice lanterns. So it feels like the Chinese New Year is still not yet over. I mean, normally in Singapore they will like celebrate for 15 days. So today is only, I think, the 5th day. There will be 10 more days of like decorations, and the dance currently is all over the island, man. Ang Mo Kio, Ion Orchard, even Punggol, Sengkang, and so much more. Every day they have it, almost every day, man. But I'm currently saturated, so I came to Tanjong Pagar in Chinatown to do some video. Because you know, in Tanjong Pagar there's an area called the Little Korea, so I just came to explore. But the prices were like insane, man. It's about $100 for a little piece, I mean a few pieces of pork belly. Greetings from Chinatown, Singapore. So they can explore this area for a while. It's Chinese New Year, the 5th day. Let's check out whether they have some interesting stuff right here beside the decorations. You know, like 1 week ago, this Chinatown 9th Street, right? They actually have a lot of stuff like the guotong, it was the peanuts, I mean those nuts, and Chinese New Year stuff, decorations. It was like so crowded if barely can walk, man. And by the way, there's a viral Starbucks here. You know, it's like so special. The Starbucks Strawberry Crunch Delights. It's so colorful. And they're level 2 as well, the pink windows, man. It's pink, no? Not purple. And level 1 you can see here also. You watch some people do some crowd watching. In Chinese Day, the Sing Parker, you know. And left side roasted chestnut. And even some durians over the corner. The auntie just came out. Wow. You know, a lot of tourists like to come here and eat the durians. It's simply amazing. And coconut, I think they raised the price though. 1 week ago it was $4 and now become $5. But you gotta choose. I mean, now it's a CNY period. If I go buy a they increase of 50 cents.